I did not roll a spliff yet. So give me a second, actually. All right, let's go. So check this fucking video out, yo. Look at this shit. Do it yourself crossbow nail slingshot. Are you fucking kidding me? Also, YouTube. 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 What the fuck are you doing? Like, what the fuck are you doing, YouTube? Seriously? You can't even play a fucking video properly? What's this? Antenna? Okay. Alright, so let's see how to make a fucking slingshot so that we can kill some humans, right? Fucking retards. And these faggot people, they always put like music in their video. Every single one of these shitty fucking videos are all the same things. It's just different topic. Oh, would you like to make the world's most powerful fucking antenna? Well, play this shitty fucking song. Play this shitty song. Yeah, fuck humanity, eh? Humanity makes me want to fucking end my life. Straight the fuck up. So let's see the end of this, because I really don't have the patience for this video. Or even for anything that humans do at all. Please, I hope you use it and it goes through like fucking, I don't know, a punching bag or something. Fucking packies, eh? Making weapons and shit. Putting the fucking thing on YouTube. 3,000 views, eh? Do you see, or 3,000 subscribers? 122K likes. A fucking packy making a bullet. Watch this. He's making a fucking bullet. How you like that one? Oh yeah. Sharp enough to pierce a man's brain. Look at that. How do you like it? Look at those bullets. Homemade bullets. How do you like fucking that? Yeah, varnish it. Paint it black too. Why don't you? Paint it fucking black. Please. Fire it so we can see it go through somebody and fucking prove that it works. Let's see what the comments are saying. The comments are usually the most fucked up place. Yup, I made those. It shoots wrong. The nails go sideways. Hit you inside of others. Okay, that was a garbage demonstration. You should have shot an actual fucking person. Uh, why would you only put glue around the barrel pieces and not in between? But I realized the force and direction of travel has little to no effect on side pressure. Deadly? Yeah, cool. Excellent model. You know, it's a weird time to live in when you can put homemade weapons on the fucking internet, on YouTube of all things, right? And I bet this video has like 20 ads too. I just put I just have ad block, so I don't business with that ad shit. But yeah, imagine making a weapon, putting it on YouTube, and it's like, oh yeah, well, I watch two ads before this, watch two ads in the middle, and then watch two ads at the end. Six ads in fucking total for a guy making a fucking gun on YouTube. How do you like that one? How do you like it, you fucking lemmings? How do you fucking like it? Yeah, that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. All right, bye, fucking idiots.